If you smoke a lot of barbecue, you already know that temperature control can make or break a cook. Today we're going to look at some products from ChefsTemp and see what they have to offer, and we're going to be using these in cooks coming up. So let's go ahead and get into this box and see what we've got. All right, so let's get into it, see what's in here. All right, so the box is loaded. Save this one for later. We got the Breezo. Now this is super cool because this you can hook up to a charcoal grill or a Kamado or an offset smoker, and what it's going to do is it's going to act like a computerized air control flow system. It's going to feed air when you need it. It's going to not have air when you don't need it. It's going to keep the coals burning at the temperature you need them to keep the desired chamber temp. So super cool, the Breezo. Then we've got the S1. Now this S1 is really cool because it's going to digitize your chamber temp, and it's also going to connect to the Breezo and allow you to monitor chamber temp, and then the Breezo will adjust chamber temp. It gives you a digital readout, so you can put this in any smoker where you've got the standard, you know, old-timey needle type of a reader, and this is going to digitize it for you and also allow you to connect with Bluetooth and stuff like that to your phone. So really cool. I don't know what we've got here. We've got our charger for our wireless probes, which I'm guessing maybe in this box right here. Yes, sir. Now, one thing that's cool, and multiple things that's cool about these wireless temp probes compared to other wireless temp probes, is the fact that they have really shrunk the diameter of the meat probe. And so, you know, some of the other brands, harder to get into tight places, and then also it leaves a big hole when you pull it out. And so sometimes that's undesirable when you cut in and see it. But also, this is a huge advancement in my book, because I have been trying to like get one of these other probes out of a brisket or something before, and you have trouble. It gets kind of cooked in, gets kind of barked on right there on the outside, have trouble breaking it loose sometimes. You just having this, being able to give it a twist and pull, it's going to make things a lot easier. So very, very cool. Now another advantage to ChefsTemp is that you've got the multiple probe charger here, which means that you can get this charger, buy one of these, and then later on, if you decide you want another one, you know, you just get it, slap it in there, and you've got a charger for it. Really cool. Allows you to buy one or two at a time based on your needs, instead of having to either buy one or four, and then just build up your lineup as you go. We've got some markers here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you have more than one probe, you can keep up with which one is which and which reading you're getting when you're looking at the app on your phone. Let's get our hands on these other tools. Love getting these packages. Feel like a kid at Christmas. But you know, you look at the high accuracy, it's water resistant, high temp resistant, smart temperature control, customize your alerts, and do remote monitoring. So that's really awesome. We'll get into their S1 Smart Thermometer Hub. This thing, it just looks official, baby. Look at this. Like, you take the crappiest smoker they've got at Walmart and you put this thing on there, and next thing you know, it looks like you've got, you know, something cool. Because you can turn the crappiest smoker at Walmart into something that has digital control that you can monitor from your phone. We got our chargers, and this just comes right out. That way you can get that into your smoker in a good spot, or take the old temperature gauge out and put the new, more advanced one in, and then you can just leave this in your smoker and come back later on, line this up, twist it in, you're locked in, and you're ready to start monitoring the temp of your cooker. So coming up, I'm probably going to make a video where we buy a really cheap smoker and see what kind of cook we can get using this and the Breezo. Let's get this Breezo out of the box to see what it is about. See, I think this thing is fairly straightforward. You've got the outside unit. You've got some plates that you use to mount it to the inside and the outside to hold it where you want it. Yeah, you just turn this thing on. It's got a little, open it up, turn it on, and it's going to push air into the smoker at the rate that it needs to keep the coals burning nice and hot. So very exciting stuff. Y'all let me know down in the comment section below. Have you ever fooled with one of these? Have you got any experience with ChefsTemp? And what was your experience like? Okay, so as far as packaging and first impressions are concerned, let me just say I'm very impressed with the amount of detail, the quality of all the products, the way they feel in the hand, and the packaging. All very good. I love all the little tweaks they've made to their products to help become more and more dialed into what the customers are looking for. I love that they're paying attention to the market. I look forward to using these in cooks. Y'all stay tuned for that in upcoming videos. Come over to American Smoked Carnivores on Facebook. I'm in there every day, and we're about to run a barbecue competition where you can compete for some prizes. And it just so happens that ChefsTemp is the one that's providing those prizes, so you know they're going to be off the chain. Y'all come to compete in the contest. I'll see you in there. Thanks for watching. Smoke on, and I'll see y'all in the next video.